Every industrial journey begins far from machines, right here in living soil. Banana stems, often discarded, are the hidden foundation of an advanced industry. Precision begins at the source, long before automation takes over. Raw material is only valuable when handled with intent. From field to factory, every second affects quality. Scale demands both human judgment and mechanical strength.
Quality control starts before the factory doors ever open.
Consistency is built through disciplined coordination. The transformation begins the moment the harvest leaves the land.
Distance is not empty time. It is controlled motion.
Human attention remains critical, even in mechanized chains.
Flow is maintained without interruption.
Raw harvest now aligns with industrial scale. Stability preserves material integrity. The agricultural world gives way to engineered precision. Every entry is measured, logged, and expected. Access marks the transition from raw to refined.
The factory is ready to receive its harvest.
This is where nature meets engineered order. Accuracy at arrival protects everything that follows. The outside world is sealed away. The factory breathes inward.
Raw material officially enters the system.
Every kilogram is recorded, nothing assumed. Scale reveals itself only once you step inside. Order is enforced without pause. From this point on, purity is mandatory. Cleaning begins with force and precision. Every surface is exposed, nothing left untouched. Waste is removed as carefully as the product is preserved. Moisture control protects fiber integrity.
Human eyes still set the standard.
Decisions happen in milliseconds. Final rinsing ensures consistency. Uniformity prepares the system for transformation. Now the real work begins.
This is where structure is broken down with purpose.
Controlled force unlocks hidden fibers. Extraction is precise, not violent. Nothing is ignored, even what's removed. Strength appears in strands, not mass.
Moisture is reduced, integrity preserved.
Standards are enforced by trained hands.
Order amplifies efficiency.
The material is ready to evolve. Transformation begins under controlled conditions. Heat reshapes without destroying. Length and strength are engineered together. Conditioning prepares fibers for endurance. Refinement is measured in microns. Precision replaces approximation. Stability now. Stability ensures longevity. Data watches what eyes cannot. Transformation hands control to automation.
Automation scales what humans perfected.
Accuracy repeats without fatigue. Uniform layers define final performance.
Machines now see what once took years to learn.
Correction happens before error exists. Speed arrives without compromise. The environment becomes part of the machine. Reliability is monitored, not assumed. Automation hands off to perfection. Finishing defines the final character. Surface quality speaks without words. Consistency is engineered, not hoped for.
Every dimension is verified.
Only the best moves forward. Stability is locked in through balance. Cooling finalizes structure.
Perfection demands proof.
Every claim must withstand verification.
Imperfections reveal themselves under scrutiny.
Numbers confirm consistency. Strength is proven, not assumed.
Balance is measured in percentages.
Even the smallest detail matters.
Approval is earned through data.
The product is cleared to move on. Final handling begins.
Protection and identification secure every product.
Order and efficiency converge in automation.
Even in automation, human verification safeguards quality.
Storage preserves what the line has perfected.
The journey from field to factory reaches its endpoint.
Transport carries the finished product to the world.
And this is how modern factories produce banana fiber mats from start to finish.
Efficiency, precision, and human oversight captured in motion.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.